Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a new video of Cambridge IELTS, and this is the video about the Cambridge IELTS listening, and the question type is IELTS listening multiple choice questions. Whenever the multiple choice questions come into the IELTS listening test, the students become very confused and they think that it is the most difficult part of the IELTS listening test. In this video, I am going to give you some tips and strategies that how can you solve the IELTS listening multiple choice questions. The first thing is to do, there is no need to read the options. The students have to focus on the question, try to get the main idea of the question, underline the keywords of the question when the 30 seconds are given to the students to read the questions. And when the audio will play, the students have to focus on the options, their eyes must be the options, and their pencil must be on the question. But in all this process, their mind must be attached with the audio. And in this way, they can get the right option for the question they want to solve. The other thing is that the students have to learn the synonyms and paraphrases as many as they can. Because in the audio, the speaker will not say the exact words which are written on the text. They must be different. The only way they can understand the audio by knowing the synonyms and paraphrases. So let's go to the test and we try to solve the multiple choice questions from question number 21 to 22. Let's go. Section 3, question number 21 and 22. Choose the correct letter A, B, or C. You can see that an example is done for you, so there is no need to read it. Just jump up to the question number 21 and 22. Question number 21. Melanie says she has not started the assignment because option A, she was doing work for another course. Option B, it was really big assignment. Option C, she has not spent time in the library. So for instance, we'll listen into the audio. Although the assignment was really big, but she was busy with her family and friends, and she did not get any time to go to the library to collect the data for the assignment, then our option C will be correct, because option C is she has not spent time in the library. So let's listen to the audio to find the answer for question number 21.
Excuse me, Dr. Johnson. May I speak to you for a minute?
Sure, come in.
I'm Melanie Griffin. I'm taking your course in population studies.
Right. Well, Melanie, how can I help you?
I'm having a bit of trouble with a second assignment, and it's due in 12 days.
So this statement refers to the question number 21.
What sort of trouble are you having? Is the assignment question a problem?
We have listened to what sort of problem are you having? Is assignment question a problem? Now listen to what does Melanie says.
Well, that's part of the problem. I've been having trouble getting hold of the books. I've been to the library several times and all the books are out.
I have been having trouble getting hold of the books. It means that assignment question is also a problem and she could not get the helping book. But we have no option related to this audio. Let's listen to the audio further.
I've been to the library several times and all the books are out.
Sounds like you should have started borrowing books a bit earlier.
What?
I have been to the library several times and all the books are out. So it means although she went to the library, but the books related to her assignment were already taken by the other library members. So we can cross the option C. She has not spent time in the library. But in audio, we have listened to I have been in the library for several times. It means she spent time in the library. Listen to the audio further.
Well, I had a really big assignment due in for another course, and I've been spending all my time on that, and I thought,
So we have listened to, well, I had a really big assignment doing for another course and I have been spending my time on that. And option A is she was doing work for another course. So option A is the right answer for question number 21. Let's listen to the audio again.
"Excuse me, Dr. Johnson. May I speak to you for a minute?
Sure, come in.
I'm Melanie Griffin. I'm taking your course in population studies.
Right. Well, Melanie, how can I help you?
I'm having a bit of trouble with a second assignment, and it's due in 12 days.
What sort of trouble are you having? Is the assignment question a problem?
Well, that's part of the problem. I've been having trouble getting hold of the books. I've been to the library several times and all the books are out.
Sounds like you should have started borrowing books a bit earlier.
Well, I had a really big assignment due in for another course, and I've been spending all my time on that, and I thought...
Question number 22. The lecturer says that reasonable excuses for extensions are the keywords. So the lecturer will tell what are the reasons due to them we can extend the submission date of assignment. And the options are option A, planning problems, option B, problems with assignment deadlines, option C, personal illness or accident. Let's listen to the audio.
You might get an extension of time to finish your assignment for me.
You might get an extension of time to finish your assignment for me. Now you have to be alert because this statement refers to your question number 22. Listen to the audio further.
You might get an extension of time to finish your assignment for me.
If that's possible, but I don't know...
Well, yes, it is possible, but extensions are normally given only for medical or compassionate reasons.
Okay, we have got the answer of question number 22 because we have listened to, well, yes, it is possible, but extensions are normally given only for medical or compassionate reasons. And the option C is personal illness or accident. So our right answer is option C, personal illness or accident. Listen to the audio again.
You might get an extension of time to finish your assignment for me.
If that's possible, but I don't know...
Well, yes, it is possible, but extensions are normally given only for medical or compassionate reasons. Otherwise, it's really a question of organizing your study, and we don't like giving extensions to students who simply didn't plan their work properly.